Hello students, welcome to the video class of the three dimensional coordinate geometry. Before that we should refresh our mind. Let's do Brahmanath. Om. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Dear students, last class we discussed the angle between two lines, the projection of a point upon another line or planes, the projection of the point upon the coordinate axis and coordinate planes, the projection of the line segment upon the line whose DCS are given, okay, and some problems. Today we are going to discuss some more problems from the textbook. Now the question is what? Prove that the measure of the angles between two main diagonals of a cube is cos inverse 1 by 3. This is suppose the coordinate axis. This is suppose the coordinate axis, and this is what? This is a cube. This is a cube. This is a cube. Join this. This is origin. This is x-axis. This is y-axis. This is z-axis. Suppose this is A and this is what? B, and this is C and D, E, F, and this is G. Solution: let A, B, C, D, E, F, A, B, C, D, E, F, G be a cube whose length of each edge is a units. So the coordinates are the coordinates of each vertices are shown in side figure. So this is length is A, this length is what? A, this is also A, and this is also A. On x-axis y coordinate 0 and z coordinate. So point of this point is A 0 0. This point is what? A 0 0. This is A 0 0, and the point C is equal to what? This is y axis. So 0 A 0, and this is z axis. So point coordinate of E is what? 0 0 A, and this is what? Origin 0 0 0, and the point B is what? XY plane. The point B is on XY plane. So this is what? A 0, and the point F is on XZ plane. So A 0 A, and the point D is on what? The point D is on YZ plane. So 0 A, this point. Now the point is G is in space, so its coordinate is what? This is G point, so its coordinate is what? A. Here two main diagonals are what? Here two main diagonals are either you may take FC and DA, or you may take what? OB, OG, this is G, this is G, OG and EF. So it is better to identify the angle. Let this is what, CF and DA or AD. Let here two main angles are what, FC and AD. Now DRS of FC is equal to what? DRS of FC, A minus 0, A, and 0 minus A minus A minus 0, A. DRS of AD, this is equal to, or we can write here, this is what, A common, so 1 minus 1 and 1. So DRS of AD, A is what, FC means what, C minus at. DRS of what, FC means what, C minus AF, C minus F. So this is 0 minus A and this is A minus 0, A, and this is 0 minus A minus 1. So minus 1, 1, minus 1. So DRS of AD, D minus A, that is D minus A, 0 minus A minus A minus 0, A minus 0, A. So take common here A. So this is equal to minus 1, 1 and 1. Let theta be the angle between, FCF or FC and AD. So cos theta is equal to what? Cos theta is equal to A1 A2 minus 1 into minus 1 1 plus 1 minus 1 by root over 1 plus 1 plus 1 root over 1 plus 1 plus 1. Okay, so plus 1 minus 1 cancel. So cos theta is equal to 1 by, this is root 3 and this is root 3. So cos theta is equal to what? Cos theta is equal to 1 by 3 and theta is equal to cos inverse 1 by 3. Proved. Now another question. Prove that the angle between the diagonals of a face and diagonal of a cube drawn from a vertex is cos inverse square root of 2 by 3. So this is the figure and this is a square, this is a cube, same diagram like previous question, same diagram. So this is same concept here, this is origin O, A, B, C, D, E, F and G. This is G, suppose. Same concept. Let solution, let A, B, C, D, E, F, G be a cube whose length of each edge is a unit, length of each edge is a unit. The coordinates of the figure, the coordinates of the cube coordinates of the vertices, each vertices of the cube are shown in side figure. This length is what? A. This length is equal to A, and this length is A. So this point is what? This is x-axis, y-axis, and this is z-axis. So coordinate of A is equal to A 0 0. Coordinate of C is equal to on y-axis, so 0 A 0, and coordinate of E is equal to on z-axis, that is 0 0 A. F lies on what? XZ plane, so A 0 A. B lies in what? XY plane, so A 0, and D lies on what? YZ plane, YZ, so 0 0 A, and G is in the space, so this is what? A, and this is origin 0 0 0. Okay, 0 0 0. Now consider a space, a face is here. Suppose this is a face. Consider this is the point O. Consider the face. Consider the face OAFC. Now OC is it's one of the diagonal. OF is one of the diagonal of the face OAFC. Okay, now DRS of OF, this is a diagonal. Okay, so DRS of OF is equal to what? A 0 A, or this can be take A common here, so common, that is 1 0 1. जोटा कमन नेले सेटा लेखा होनी डीआरएस केस रे होला, सेटा इंपोर्टेंट. तो कौन अच्छी नाउ द diagonal of the cube. Suppose this is a diagonal. Okay, diagonal of a cube. OG is a diagonal. Here OG is a diagonal of the cube. Now DRS of OG. Now DRS of OG AAA, that is what? 1 1 1. Now let theta be the angle between OF and OG. Let theta be the angle between angle between OF and OG. Now cos theta is equal to L A1 A2, that is A1 A2, apply angle formula. So 1 into 1 plus 0 into 1 plus 1 into 1 by root over A1 square, that is 1 plus 0 plus 0 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. Now cos theta is equal to cos theta is equal to, that implies cos theta is equal to, this is 1 plus 1, that is 2, and this is what, root 2 into root 3. That implies cos theta is equal to root 2 by root 3, or theta is equal to cos inverse whole square root of 2 by 3. This is proved. Okay, this is one question. Now another question. Question is, find the angle which a diagonal of a cube makes with one of its edges. So solution, this is the 3D system, and this is the cube, like this. So cube is like this. Same procedure as previous one, same concept, same theory part, same, and that is what, this is O, and this is what, A, this is x-axis, and this is what, A, B, C, this is y-axis, and this is D, and this is E, this is z-axis, and this is F, and this is what, G. Same concept. Let A, B, C, D, E, F, G be a cube whose length of each edge is a unit. The coordinate of each vertices, are shown in side figure. Okay, so this is what, A0, 0, this is x-axis, so this point is A, and this is what, A0, 0, and this is y-axis, 0, A0, and this is z-axis, what, 0, 0, A, and B is on the xy plane, so 0, xy plane, A, 0, and F is xz plane, so this is what, A, 0, A, and D is what, yz plane, so 0, A, and G is in the space, so A. Now here one edge, OA, this is one edge, this point is what, A, this point is what, A. Here OA is one edge, and this is, find the angle between the diagonal of a cube makes with one edge. Okay, diagonal. Suppose this is A is one edge, and the diagonal is what? And the diagonal is maybe this OG, maybe what? OG, and maybe, correct here, this is one edge, or you can say AF and what? SC. Any two take. Here one edge OA, and one diagonal what? OG, OA and OG. Now DRS of OA, that is A0, 0, we can write 1 0 0 कौन पे लिखि पार्छ ना के ए के बी के सी थिले केटा कमन करछ ए बी सी लिखि पार्छ डायरेक्शन रेशियो सेति में दिया हो तो डीआरएस ऑफ OG this is origin 0 0 0 so A and this is equal to what 1 1 1 let theta be with the angle between this is suppose theta let theta be the angle between OA and OG. Now cos theta is equal to 1 into 1 0 into 1 0 into 1 divided by 1 plus 0 root over 1 plus 1 plus 1. So theta is equal to here cos theta is equal to that implies cos theta is equal to 1 by root over 1 means 1 root 3 or theta is equal to what? Theta is equal to cos inverse 1 by root 3. This is answer. Now another question. Here the question is find the angle between the lines whose DCS L, M and R connected by the relations 3L plus M plus 5N equal to 0 and 6Mn minus 2NL plus 5LM is equal to 0. This is the question. Okay. Now given relation that is what 3L plus M plus 5N is equal to 0 equation 1 and 6Mn minus 2NL plus 5LM is equal to 0 equation 2. This is equation 2. Now from equation 1 equation or relation 1 M is equal to what? M is equal to minus 3L minus 5N. Use in equation 2. So 6M means what? Minus 3L. 6M means what? Minus 3L minus 5N into N minus 2NL plus 5L. M means what? Minus 3L minus 5N is equal to 0. 5N is equal to 0. So this is what? 6 into 3 18 minus 8 18 what? NL minus 30 N square minus 2 NL and this is what? Minus 15 L square and this is what? Minus 25 NL is equal to 0. Okay. So this is minus 15 L square minus what? 45 NL minus 30 N square is equal to 0. Take common minus 15 here. So L square 3 NL and this is plus 2 is equal to 0. So L square plus 3 NL plus what? This is 2N square. This is 2N square is equal to 0 plus 2N square is equal to 0. Now factorize this, break middle term here. That is break this term. So L square plus 2NL plus NL plus 2N, or 2NL here, you can write here NL plus 2NL plus 2N square is equal to 0. So take here L common, that is L plus N. Take here 2N common, L plus N is equal to 0. N plus L plus N equal to 0. So L plus N into L plus 2N is equal to 0. Here two cases arises, that is what? Here two cases arises where, that is what? A plus L plus N is equal to 0. L plus N is equal to 0, or L plus 2N is equal to 0. So one thing is what? L is equal to what? L equal to minus N, or L equal to minus 2N. Okay. Now convert this into single form, that is what? L is equal to here, so L equal to minus N. Now if L equal to minus N, then M is equal to what? M is equal to, M means what? This is M. So L is equal to minus N, put minus N, so 3N minus 2N minus 5N. 3N, that is what? Minus 3L minus 5N, that implies M is equal to L minus 3, minus L means what? L equal to minus N, so 3N minus 5N, that implies M is equal to what? Minus 2N. So we can write this is as, this is what? L by 1 is equal to N by minus 1 is equal, then it is what? M by 2. This is M by 2 is equal to minus N. From this, suppose this is A and suppose this is B. From A and B, we get what? L by 1 is equal to M by 2 is equal to N by minus N means what? N by minus 1. So DRS of one line is, DRS of one line is what? 1, 2, minus 1. Similarly, for other line, similarly for this L is equal to what? Minus 2N. For this L equal to minus 1. Now M is equal to what? M is equal to here formula minus 3L minus 5N. So this is minus 2N, that implies M is equal to what? 6N minus 5N. So this is equal to, M is equal to N, and we can write here, from this we can write here, that is what? L by minus 2 is equal to N. Suppose this is equation C, and equation, suppose this is D. From C and D, equation C and D, this is DRS of the line. Here DRS of the line, one line is what? 1, 2, minus 1. So from this, L by minus 2 is equal to M by 1 is equal to N by 1. So DRS of other line is minus 2, 1, 1. Now let theta be the angle between them. Let theta be the theta be the angle between two lines. Therefore cos theta is equal to a1 1 into minus 2 plus 2 into 1 plus minus 1 into 1 divided by root over a square. A square means what? 1 plus 4 plus 1. B square means 4 plus 1 plus 1. So theta cos theta is equal to minus 2 plus 2 minus 2 cancel, minus 1, and this is what? Root 6 into root 6. So theta, that is minus 1 by 6. So theta is equal to what? Theta is equal to cos inverse minus 1 by 6. This is the angle between two lines where they are related with the DCS. Okay. Now another question. Now one question show that the measure of angles between the four diagonals of a rectangular parallelepiped whose edges are ABC are given by cos inverse plus or minus a square plus or minus b square plus or minus c square divided by a square plus b square plus a square. Okay. Suppose this is the figure. And this is the parallelepiped rectangular parallelepiped like this. Actually, what is rectangular parallelepiped? This is the shape of the rectangular parallelepiped. This is the shape of the rectangular parallelepiped. On this side, this is z-axis, x-axis, y-axis, z-axis. Clear? And this length is A, this length equal to B, and this length is C. This is suppose origin, and this is A, B, C, D, E, F, and this is G. Okay, let solution. Let A, B, C, D, E, F, G be a rectangular parallelepiped whose edges are given by A, B, C. The vertices of each vertices of the rectangular parallelepiped are shown in side figure. Okay, so this is what? A 0 0, this is 0 B 0 B 0, this is 0 0 C, and the point xy plane here, xy plane, so point B is what? 0 B C, D is yz plane, so this is xy plane, so the point is A B 0, and this is yz plane, so the point is what? 0 B C. Okay, then this is what? Xz plane, so the point F is equal to what? A, 0, C. This point G is in the space, so this is what? A, B, C. Okay, now here the diagonals. Here the diagonals are what? OG, OG and what? OG, then OG. This is suppose the figure. This is suppose the figure. 1 minute, just let's discuss about by looking the figure, observing the figure. Suppose this is the parallelepiped and the angle between this is one vertex and this is another vertex. So this is angle and this is what? Vertex opposite vector. This is one angle, and from this side to this and this side to this. So or this is what? So that the measures of angle between the four diagonals. So four diagonals here what? Four diagonals, that is OG and what? OG, this is OG, one diagonal, and what is here? This is OG and CF, and these are the four diagonals of the parallelogram. Now write the diagonals of the parallelogram and imagine that which are the diagonals of the parallelogram. Here shown in side figure, shown in side figure. So four diagonals. Here four diagonals are, this is O and this is G. OG and FC and what? OG, FC, OG and EB, FC, AD and AD. Now DRS of what? Now DRS of OG. DRS of OG. This is A, or we can write here what? ABC here, not take common here. This is ABC. DRS of what? DRS of EB is equal to what? EB, that is B minus E. A minus 0 A, B minus 0 B, and 0 minus C. DRS of, now DRS of what? FC, C minus F. So 0 minus A, FC means C minus A. So 0 minus A minus A, and B minus 0 B, minus 0 B, 0 minus C. Now DRS of AD means D minus A. AD, D minus 0 minus A, 0 minus A, and B minus 0 minus A. So this is 0 minus A minus A, B minus 0 B, C minus 0, and this is what? On what? On this is what on YZ plane, so 0 B C, and this is what on XZ plane, this is AD, not AD, FC here, and this is AD. So DRS of AD is what? DRS of AD. 0 minus A, that is 0 minus A, that is minus A, and B minus 0, B, C minus 0. So B, C. Okay, these are the four DRS of four diagonals. Now angle between them. Angle between what? Angle between OG and what? EB. So cos inverse is equal to what? Cos inverse A square plus B square, A square plus B square minus C square divided by root over A square plus B square plus C square root over A square plus B square plus C square. So this is what? Cos inverse A square plus B square minus C square by A square plus B square plus C square. Okay. Now angle between OG and FC. Angle between, this is 1. Angle between OG and FC. So is equal to what? OG FC minus A square plus B square minus A square. Cos inverse minus A square OGFC minus A square, and this is what? A into minus A square plus B into B, that is B square, and minus C, and this is what? C into minus C, minus C square. By same thing here, A square plus B square plus C square, because root over cancel here, root A square plus B square plus C square into root over A square plus B square C square is equal to A square plus B square plus C square. This is 2. Now angle between OG and AD. OG and AD, this angle between this. So cos inverse what? A into A minus A square plus B square plus C square by, this is A square plus B square plus C square as the first case. Okay. Now angle between what? FB and FC. Now angle between FC. Now angle between what? EB and FC. So this is suppose 3. So is what? Cos inverse EBFC, this angle EBFC, AA minus A square plus B square and plus C square by root over not here, because root over both root 5 is equal to 5. Similarly root x is equal to x. So root over A square plus B square plus C square into root over A square plus B square plus C square is equal to what? A square plus B square plus C square. Okay. So एटा repeatedly लिखुनी हो गोटे जगह calculation ହେଇଛି. So this is what? A square plus b square plus c square. This is now angle between EB and AD. These two angle between EB and AD. AB and AD. So this is what FC नहीं जो FC and AD. FC and AD. So this is what cos. This is equation what 4. 4. So cos theta, that is cos inverse, is equal to this one minus a square plus what b square plus b square and minus what minus a square plus b square minus c square by a square plus b square plus c square. This is equation 5. Okay, this is equation 5. And one thing is minus b. Okay, let's discuss about, let's recheck about this coordinates. Now angle radius of FC means minus a b c, or we can write a b c. So what is here angle between FC and BD? This is minus. This is minus. Okay, this is 5. Similarly, we can find other angles. And finally we get similarly we can find other angles, and finally that is in general angle between four diagonals of a rectangular parallelepiped are parallelepiped whose edges are A, B, C are given by cos inverse plus or minus a square plus or minus b square plus or minus c square divided by a square plus b square plus c square. This is the angle between the four diagonals of the rectangular parallelepiped. Now another question. If L1, M1, N1 and L2, M2, N2 are the direction cosines of two mutually perpendicular lines, then show that the DCS of the line which is perpendicular to both of them is given by this. So this is suppose two mutually perpendicular lines here. This is two mutually perpendicular lines here. Okay, this is two mutually perpendicular lines. So this is L1 and this is what L2, and this DCS L1, M1 and N1, and its DCS is what? Its DCS L2, M2, N2, and the third line is perpendicular to this line and perpendicular to this line, and this is also perpendicular. So given solution, given L1, M1, N1 and L2, M2, N2 are DCS of two mutually perpendicular perpendicular lines, two mutually perpendicular lines, that is L1 and L2. So according to the condition for perpendicular, that is what? L1, that is angle between L1 and L2 is what? 90. That is L1 perpendicular to L2. Okay. So let third line, suppose this is L, third line L perpendicular to L1 and L perpendicular to L2. By definition, that is what we get here: L1 into L, M1 into M plus N1 into N is equal to 0, L2 into L. This is condition for perpendicular. Okay, L2 into L, M2 into M plus N2 and N is equal to 0. This is condition for perpendicular. Okay, by cross multiplication, L by what? M1 N2 minus M2 N1, M by N1 L2 minus N2 N1, N by what? L1 M2 minus L2 M1. Now you have to prove these are what? Direction cosines. Now to prove M1 N2 minus M2 N1, N1 L2 minus what? N2 L1, L1 M2, L1 M2 minus L2 M1 are direction cosines, DCS. So that is if now squaring them. So now square of that is what? Now square of M1 N2 minus M2 N1 whole square plus N1 L2 minus N2 L1 whole square plus what? Plus L1 M2 minus L2 M1 whole square. So expanding this, or another method, this is formula for what? This is angle between, this is equal to square of, this is equal to what? Square of, this is equal to what? Square of the angle between two lines in sin theta. But we know the angle between two lines in sine form is equal to what? Sin theta is equal to M1 N2 minus M2 N1 whole square. This is root over, okay. So this is what? N1 L2 minus N2 L1 whole square plus M1 what? L1 M2 minus L2 M1 whole square, root over. Okay, here theta is equal to what? Here theta is equal to 90. Here theta is equal to 90 degree. So this is what? Square root of L1. This is what? M1 N2 minus M2 N1 whole square plus N1 L2 minus N2 N1 whole square plus what? Plus L1 M2 minus L2 M1 whole square is equal to sin 90 what? 1. Squaring both side. Squaring both side. Okay. Squaring both side. Squaring both side. This is what? Squaring both side. That is m1 n2 minus m2 n1 whole square plus n1 l2 minus n2 n1 whole square plus l1 m2 minus what? Minus l2 m1 whole square is equal to 1. If the sum of the squares of three numbers is equal to 1, then this is what? Then direction ratio will be direction quotient. So therefore m1 n2 minus m2 n1 comma n1 l2 minus n2 l1 comma what? L1 m2 minus L2 m1 are DCS. This is L1 m2 minus L2 m1 are DCS. Okay, now another question. Okay, this is the textbook problem and example of the textbook. Prove that line makes angle alpha, beta, gamma, delta with 4 main diagonals of a cube. Then prove that cos square alpha plus cos square beta plus cos square gamma plus cos square delta is equal to 4/3. This is example of the textbook of the elements book. Okay, example of the textbook elements book. Okay, so this is very important question. This is important question for the examination. So watch carefully. This is what? The x-axis, y-axis and z-axis. Suppose this is the cube. Suppose this is the cube. Okay. So suppose each length. Let same concept. Let solution. Let the length of each edge of a cube is A, and this vertices, the coordinate of the vertices are the coordinates of the vertices are shown in side figure, are shown in side figure. Okay, this is origin and this is suppose A, B, C, D, E. This is C and this is what? D, and this is E and this is F and this is G. The coordinates are what? The coordinates are, this is what? This is A 0 0, this is 0 B, sorry, this is 0 A 0 and this is what? This is 0 0 A and this is 0 0, origin is 0 0 0 and this is A and this is xy plane. So A 0, yz plane, that is 0 A and this is xz plane. So this is A 0 A. Now cos alpha, cos beta, cos, a line makes, let DCS of the line, let DCS of the line. Suppose LMN. Now we are DCS of the diagonals. Now DRS of four diagonals that is what? DRS of OG AAA, that is equal to what? 1 1 1. So DCS of OG is equal to what? DCS of OG equal to 1 by root over 1 plus 1 plus 1. 1 by root 3, comma 1 by root 3, comma 1 by root 3. Now DCS of what? DRS of EB. DRS of EB, that is A minus A minus A minus A, that is what? That is 1 minus 1. And DCS of EB, that implies DCS of EB 1 by root 3 minus 1 by root 3. Now this is what? Now DCS of AD, DRS of AD, that is 0 minus A minus A, that is equal to what? Minus 1 1 1. So DCS of AD, that implies DCS of AD is equal to what? 1 minus 1 by root 3, 1 by root 3, 1 by root 3. Now DRS of what? DRS of FC, DRS of FC, that is minus A, and this is what? A, and this is minus 1. So what? Minus 1 1 minus 1, minus 1 1 minus 1. Okay, so DCS of FC, that is minus 1 by root 3, 1 by root 3, minus 1 by root 3. Let alpha be the angle between what? Alpha be the angle between OG and the line. Let alpha beta gamma delta are the angles made by the line with the diagonals what? OG, EB, AD, CF, AD and CF respectively. Then cos alpha is equal to dash. Then cos alpha is equal to what? Then cos alpha is equal to is equal to, that is what? L into 1 by root 3. So L by root 3 plus M by root 3 plus N by root 3, that is L plus M plus N by root 3. Similarly, what is here? This is beta, cos beta is equal to what is L by root 3 plus L by root 3 minus, this is M by root 3 minus N by root 3, that is L plus M minus N by root 3. Now cos beta is equal to this, cos gamma is equal to, that is what, DCA separated, that is minus L by root 3 and this is M by root 3 and this is N by root 3. So minus L plus M plus N by root 3 and cos delta is equal to minus what? Cos delta is equal to minus L by root 3 plus M by root 3 minus N by root 3, that is minus L plus M minus N by root 3. Now left hand side, cos square alpha plus cos square beta plus cos square gamma. Left hand side, cos square alpha plus cos square beta plus cos square gamma plus cos square delta. So what is here? Cos square alpha, that is what? L plus M plus N whole square by 3. Cos beta means what? Cos beta means what? L plus M minus N whole square by 3. Cos gamma means what? Minus L plus M plus N whole square by, this is 3, and finally this is equal to what? Plus minus L plus M minus N whole square by 3. Okay. Now after simplification we will get this what? This is equal to what? Apply A plus B plus C whole square, that is L square plus M square plus N square plus 2 into Lm plus what? Lm plus Mn plus Nl, or 2 Lmn, that is what? 4 by 3 here, that is 2 Lm Mn plus Nl. So this is what? Again this is what? L square plus M square plus N square plus 2 Lm minus 2 Mn minus 2 Nl plus this L square plus M square plus N square minus 2 Lm plus 2 Mn minus 2 Nl, and this is what? Plus L square plus M square plus N square minus 2 Lm and minus 2 Mn plus 2 Nl, divide by what? Divide by 3. Divide by 3 here. So what happens here? L square plus M square plus N square is, this is 1 and this is also 1 and this is also 1 and this is also 1. Okay, so 1 plus this 2 element goes cancel, is 2 Mn 2 Nn, this is 2 Mn, this is 2 Nl. So each term goes cancel. Okay, each term goes cancel. So this is 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, that is 4. 1 plus 1 plus 1, what? This is equal to what? This is equal to here 1 plus this is 1 plus this is 1 plus 1 by 3. So this is equal to what? This is 1 plus 1 plus 1, 4 times 1 addition. So this is what? 4 by 3. So this is 4 by 3. Okay, so this is 4 by 3. This is very important question for the board examination. These are the problems from the first exercise and from the fundamental chapter. Okay, so watch the video clearly and again and again. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.